Okay, great. So this is how we install Power BI onto our PC. So I'm going to teach you two methods. The, for the first one, if you have the Microsoft App Store on your PC, just go there, then you click on it, and you open it. So it opens. Great. And after opening, what do? You come to the search bar, and then you search for Power BI. For Power, you search for Power Power BI, and it appears here. Good. Now, when you see this, you would see this very interface. What do? Click on Power BI Desktop. When you click on it, then you install it. You can see, as you can see, I've already installed mine. And so, if I want to open it, all I just do is just click on Open. But if you haven't installed this, it would appear as installed, and you install it. So I'm going to close this for now. And the other way to do this is to open your favorite browser. When you open your favorite browser, what do? You search for Power BI, Power BI download. As you can see here, then you count the first one, Power BI Desktop Official. So what do? You scroll. Important. So you can save it and you also click on download. That's all. So as easy as it gets, innit? Just open Power BI desktop on your PC. Great. And when you open Power BI and we are done with the installation, you open it. This is basically the interface you're going to see. So it is still, great. So as you can see, open. This is the pop-up. The pop-up, you can see your past files. If you want to import a file, let's see, we have what? Get data. These are the recent files. This is a quick tutorial to run you through Power BI. So if you are a novice to the entire Power BI setup, you can go through these videos and then you'll be brought up to speed to the entire Power BI interface. So we'll end for here and then continue in our next video. See you.